Okay, so we are doing science 12.3 through 12.4, and we're going to be talking about the nose. So last time we did this page, you're going to flip it over so it looks like this. Your sense of smell provides you with information about the world. Many smells are pleasant and enjoyable. What do you like to smell? What do those smells remind you of? Have you ever smelled something burning? Your sense of smell might have been alerting you to danger. Your sense of smell can warn you not to eat or drink something that can harm you. Food that is not fresh will often smell bad. Check the boxes that show things that you enjoy smelling. So these kinds of flowers, oh, I think they're lilacs. I love the smell of lilacs. This is dirt. Some people like the smell of dirt, especially if they garden. I particularly don't, but some people do. Soap, I like the smell of soap. The pine tree, I like the smell of pine trees. Apple pie, oh yes. Clean laundry, oh yes, I like the smell of that. Turn to the back. It looks like this. Have you ever smelled bread baking? You smell the bread because molecules from the dough evaporate and travel through the air. Some molecules enter your nose and move into the nasal cavity. Nerves detect the scent and send a message to your brain. The brain interprets the scent. All of this happens so fast that you do not even notice. Your senses of taste and smell are designed to work together. Your brain uses information from both your mouth and nose to help you enjoy the foods you eat. One color of molecules will form a path from the bread to the nose. Find and trace that path. So choose either color, maybe it's the green, red, or gray, and then follow the path of those molecules to this person's nose. So I think I'm going to do the red. And I'm going to do, let's see here. That's wafting up. And maybe there's some air blowing. And now it's right next to his face. Well, red doesn't go all the way to his face, so let's try green. Oh, but I missed one, didn't I? That's kind of to his nose. Let's try the gray. Oh, yeah. That is a direct path. So the gray path, if you thought the gray path was the one that went all the way to his nose, then you were correct. All right, let's turn the page, flip it over. It looks just like this, 12.4. God designed your nose to have two purposes. You use your nose to breathe and to smell things. Your nose is made partly of bone. Gently press the end of your nose. Make sure your hands are clean. Notice how easy it is to move and wiggle your nose. This is because part of your nose is made of cartilage. Cartilage, can you guys say that? Cartilage. Cartilage is a strong, flexible material that is found in the body. Your external ears are also made of cartilage. The nose has two openings called nostrils. Can you guys say nostrils? Nostrils. Air passes through these and makes its way to the lungs. Have you ever laughed while you were drinking something and had the liquid come out of your nose? Gross. This happens because your mouth and nose are connected. Turn to the back. When you breathe, your nose filters the air before it gets to your lungs. Tiny hairs and mucus. Can you guys say mucus? Mucus. That's your boogers. In your nose help trap dust and pollen and keep them out of your lungs. Sometimes you will sneeze through your nose to get rid of dust or other matter. Some sneezes can shoot out particles at 100 miles per hour. That's faster than driving on the highway. So basically mucus, all that gross stuff that's in your nose that you blow out, your boogies, that actually has a job, and that job is to help keep stuff from getting into your lungs. This says cover your mouth and nose if you feel a sneeze coming. And if you notice, she's using a Kleenex. Use a Kleenex or tissue. If you do not have a Kleenex or tissue nearby, always sneeze into your elbow. We've talked about that. The vampire sneeze into your elbow. And make sure, it's very important, especially now, that when you do sneeze, you turn your head away from other people. And then, of course, wash your hands with soap and water. Fill in the circle beside the word that best completes the sentences. Number 1, your nose is made from blank and bone. Mucus, cartilage, or filters. Cartilage. Same stuff as your ears. Number 2, your nose blank the air that you breathe. Filters, removes, or tastes. Filters. Your nose filters the air. Number 3, a nose's 2 openings are called blank. Lobes, nostrils, or mucus. Nostrils. And number 4, something that traps dust and pollen is blank. Cartilage, air, or mucus. Mucus. All right. And that is your nose for today.